Hey guys, Mike. We're at Sounds of Water, 6830 Highway 311, Sellersburg, Indiana. It's this 10th Spring Festival coming up here at Sounds of Water. They got the new fish house. They got all the new plants and arrangements. They do water ponds. They do landscaping. Lots of things going on here at Sounds of Water, 6830 Highway 311. The 10th annual Spring Festival event at Sounds of Water. You guys want to come and check it out? It's April 20th and 21st. Coming up this weekend, and also April 27th and 28th. You guys take advantage of 10% to 50% off selected items, refreshments, live entertainment. It's all going on here at Sounds of Water, 6830 Highway 311, Sellersburg, Indiana. Come out and check them out April 20th, 21st, and April 27th and 28th. That is today's local hotspot.